Hello, my friend. Welcome to my channel. Today I've got Jen and Barry's Shamrock Shaking and Maniology Sparkling Palms and KM03 Stampin' Plate. I've already got Nailtiques Formula 2 on my nails. And here is Jen and Barry's Shamrock Shaking. I have to work on putting that G on the end because, you know, here in the South we're shaking. So it's Shamrock Shaking. And we're going to go in with our first coat. I'm really liking this. And I know this would be great for St. Patrick's Day. But this was in my untried bucket from the Polish and Beauty Expo from Nashville. It's got to get used. So we're using it today. So we're doing a second coat of Shamrock Shaking. And we're going to get that on there. I love it. It's so pretty. It'd be great to wear this one all on its own. I'm going to top it with I&M's out the door. We're going to get this one to dry down. And today I'm going to do some, I don't know what to call it. It's like the powder. It's not really totally chrome powder. It's got glitters in it too. But it's like a chrome powder. And we're going to use that for stamping. Hi, Woody. How you doing? Get it cleaned up. There we go. And there is Shamrock Shaking on its own. We'll be using KM03 and my old stamper and basis loaded lacquer on the black. And this is the Maniology Sparkling Palms powder I was talking about. This came in a Mani by Me box. So I'm going to use an eyeshadow makeup sponge thing to tap it into and kind of rub it into this old stamper. You do not want to use a new stamper for something like this. This one's got splits and tears. It's foggy. But I get that on there and I put the lid back on the sparkling palms so I don't spill it. And now we're going to do the stamping part because we've got that other stamper ready. I'm going to scrape it, pick it up with a different stamper, and then apply it to my nail, the stamped image, and immediately, quickly, hop in here with that sparkling palms and stamp over it. And the wet polish kind of hangs on and grabs that sparkling powder there. I do clean my stamper off on a lint roller, and just the stamping one. And I'm going to add some more. I leave what's on there. I don't clean that stamper off. I just add to it and get it ready for the next one. And I'm going to do this on all the nails using different parts of this image. I just needed to do something a little different. And I've been looking at that Sparkling Palms powder for a couple of months. I kept thinking, what am I going to do with it? And I finally decided this is what I was going to do with it. But you got to work kind of fast, and you've got to have that powder ready on that other stamper so that after you've applied the stamp, you're ready to take it directly to the nail and get it on there while that polish is still a little wet, because that stamping polish dries pretty quick. So here we go. One more. There we go. Pick the image up and stamp it on the nail. And apply the powder. There we go. And there are other ways of doing this, and I'll probably show them in another video. You can, you know, stamp down on the image. I'll just do another video on it because I don't even want to describe it. It's a little, you know, it's like this but different. So in the end, I'm going to clean up my stamping plate with the pure acetone so that it's clean when I put it away. And I'm cleaning that stamper off by just rolling it over my lint roller. You just keep rolling it over until you get pretty much all of it off there. And then I'm going to clean my regular stamper off too. So I'm going to hop in here with a piece of tape and get any excess up that I can off of my skin before I break out my acetone and cleanup brush. And here we go. I'm going to hop in here with the acetone. And that's cleaning up really, really well. Very, very happy with the cleanup on this. I'm not smearing black polish all over the place. And one more little spot over there in the corner. Ta-da! There we go. All right, so I am going to use the smudge-free top coat from Maniology to kind of seal that all in. The stamping, the glitter, all of it. And once that's dry, I'll be covering everything with Poshe top coat today. And that will make this manicure last longer. Because if you just use the water-based top coat, when you wash your hands, it starts washing that stuff off. Because it's a water-based thing. You know, that smudge-free top coat's water-based, I believe. So there we go. Beautimous. Even the thumb. Here's my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.